What's up, guys? Today, I'm gonna be telling you something. What's happening right now at my house? Right now at my house, there's a sandstorm. Yep, a sandstorm outside my house. Sandstorm. Boy, that's a granola bar. And if you noticed that my dog has a new haircut and he has a bandito, yeah. And we give him these. I wonder if he'll eat one now. Wait, I just gotta grab it. Go get it. There you go. And I guess we'll see you guys later. But one more thing. Shout out to Fgteev channel. Shout out to their channel. It'll be I'll tell their name in the description. So, and I guess I'll see you later. Tell them bye.
Bye, GTA 5.
We're not playing GTA 5, but okay.